All right, we're going to do right now the part that we can cheat a little bit. We're going to say, I am not a very good artist, so is it possible I can bring a picture in, trace over top of some things so my picture looks better, and then get rid of what's underneath so I can just have what I've done left? Answer, yes. So let's figure out how to do that. So we're in a blank Piskel here, and I'm just going to go down and say import an image, and I'm just going to browse images from my computer. And as I browse images, these are my downloads, and I'm not sweating those right now. I'm probably just going to go to my Google Drive if I can find my Google Drive on this cat. There's my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I've got some pictures in my folder that talks about tech classes and middle school computers. So here's a bunch of things that I've got that I'm just going to import real quick. Maybe I want to draw a bee, so I'm just going to import a bee. It says import as a single image. Should I resize it? And I should say yes, because I probably just had a standard 32 pixel by 32 pixel there. So I'm going to let it go ahead and resize. And I'm going to say next. And it says combine or replace. I didn't have anything in there, so I can just replace this time. You will replace your current animation. That's fine. And bang, I got B. All right. So let's say now we want to trace over top of this B. So what we're going to do is go up here to where it says create a layer. And I know you can't see the mouse here, but you just, if you want to create a layer, you hit plus here, and it adds a layer over top of the B. So now anything you do on this layer, notice if I click back and forth between layers, there's the layer with the B, there's the layer without the B, layer with the B, layer without the B, layer with the B, so forth and so on. So I want to edit the one that's above him. So now he is skinned enough that I can see him, and you can actually adjust this skin right here. Preview all layers, opacity is defined in preferences. If I hit those preferences, this will say actually don't preview all layers, but if I hit those preferences over there, I can actually change that. All right, so now you just want to, if you want to try to draw a circle tool, you try to put a circle tool in there, maybe match his head. So maybe we'll pick black, we'll pick the circle tool, and we'll see what we can do about matching up his noggin. So I'd like it a little thicker line, so I'm just going to hit Control Z and undo. And now I'm going to make it a little thicker line by choosing this one or perhaps this one. And again, I'm going to draw the circle tool, try to match the size of his head. Pretty close. I'm going to use my hand. Sadly, I can only do this once. And I'm going to move this down to match it up. And so I can start drawing my bee. Obviously, I can draw the body, just by doing some tracing here and there. So I've already picked the size here, so I'll do what I can to just kind of trace it. And obviously I should cut com this and go to, here's what I've done once I've traced it, but you get the basic idea. I'm just not going to finish all of it. So I get done tracing. I've filled in any colors that I feel like filling in. So I've got my bee here, and I decide, you know what, I'm ready to fly on my own. I don't need the other layer. So you go to the other layer, you click on it, and there's a thing, X button up here that just says delete selected layer. So you delete it, and all you're left with is your bee on the inside. So again, this was just a little quick hitter as far as, can I bring something in, put a layer over top of it, work on doing some tracing so my picture looks a little better, and then get rid of the bottom so I just have my own thing here. And the answer is yeah, here you can. Here's how. Thanks.